Don't worry, we're just taking some photos, man. Nothing to worry about. We're just taking photos, that's it.
Some photos and some video.
Some photos and video, man. Go away.
I said, go away, bitch. I'm taking photos. Who are you? I'm taking photos.
It's all right. We're fine. We're just taking photos. You can go inside. Go back inside.
Go back inside. Yeah, open the gate. Hey, he's gonna open the gate so you can take all the photos you want. Is he gonna open the gate? Oh, you want to take all the photos you want, SCV.
That's cool, huh?
Open to me. Take all the photos you want. Oh, he didn't open all of them. Take a photo of all of them.
Don't shine him. Don't shine him. Let him come over here. Oh yeah, thank you. That's better. No, that's better. Thank you for opening the gate.
Thank you.
Now I can take some better photos. That's nice and clear and everything. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Okay.
Yeah, we're just taking photos, man. No worries.
Oh, what's for?
Photography. Picture.
Photography for what?
We need
Yeah.
them later. We need the photos for later. You get those ones.
Oh, yeah.
What's that for? You know,
We're counting, man. We're counting. Stop.
on.
1,
Hold on.
2, 3,
Hold on,
4,
hold
5. Oh, man, come on.
I lost count.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 17.
We have no right to silent.
Wait, hold on, man. Hold on.
Oh, hold on. Hey, open it.
Open it. Open it.
Are you introduce yourself? What's that for?
Huh?
To tell me.
No, later. We'll tell you later. Just
Oh,
open the
man,
gate.
Close the door.
No, open it.
the door now.
There you go.
We'll tell you later.
We'll tell
Got
you in
it.
a little bit.
I can't do that.
Just
Yes.
leave it like that. Hold on. We're almost done.
Oh, wait. Hey, there's a sign that says no photos permitted. We can't take picture?
Okay.
This is no photos?
Oh,
I don't know who you are. Yeah, that's why this is private property.
No. You need to open the gate. I need to get
No,
the
I
photo.
can't.
I need to get those over there.
Yeah, those
One more
four
time,
Just
man.
open it. Open it real quick.
You are
One
not
more
the police
time.
officer.
Huh?
Tell me who you are. What you just that for?
just
No,
open
we
the
need
gate one more
photos.
time.
We need to get this side.
I can.
Just open the
You
gate
don't
so
tell me who you are.
I will as soon as
I
you
can
let me
do
get
that.
this side. Open it so I can get this
I
side.
can open it. You not tell me who you are. You're just getting food right here. It's private property.
Yeah, we're just taking photos, man. It's
Yeah,
not a
just
big
open
deal.
the gate again.
You're now calling the cops.
Shut up, man. Crybaby.
Hold it up.
Go suck on your thumb, man. Go suck on your thumb, big boy.
Go back inside.
Go
Go
back
hug your
inside.
blanket.
The fuck you, man. Why you putting the flashlight?
What do you mean? It's a flashlight.
I told you to go inside. Now go inside.
Listen to daddy.
When you use a
Mommy and
flashlight,
daddy.
you pointed at something.
Didn't I tell you to go inside?
Hey, Bigums.
Where did he come from?
Hey, Bigums. Go suck a thumb.
Oh, easy.
Bigums. Uh-oh, he's on the phone. All right, guys. Bigums is on the phone.
Oh yeah, please bring that light. Bring that little tiny baby light.
That's cute.
Hey, that's a cute little light. That's a cute little light.
Fuck you, man.
That's a cute little light.
How are you here?
Oh.
That's a cute little light.
Oh.
You got a cute little light,
Oh.
Snookums. Look at that cute little light.
What a crybaby.
Fuck you.
That's
What
a
a
cute little
crybaby.
light, son.
Shit, you need them.
That's cute.
What a crybaby.
That's cute. That's a cute light. You better stay on that side. I'm gonna shove that bat in your ass. I know you're gonna like
Hey,
it.
Bat Boy, you're a bitch.
Batman. Hey, get over here, Batman.
You're a bitch, Bat Boy.
Hey, Batman. Come here, Batman.
Damn, he almost got you.
No, he hit the thing and all kinds of shit
the
flew off of
chunks.
it.
Come here, Batman.
I felt chunks from the
Crybaby
fence.
has a baby light.
Right?
Batman's got a baby light.
Oh, that's cute.
That's a cute little light. You get that from your daughter?
He's gonna throw something over the fence. What the fuck?
He's throwing rocks, bro.
Hey, why don't you come out here?
Come out
Why don't you come out here and be a man about it?
He's got a baby
You want to
light.
throw a rock at me?
Hey,
Why don't you come out here, you little bitch? Yeah, he just threw a rock at me.
See that, everybody?
right here.
He hit me with a rock.
Right here.
He hit me with a rock.
And it could have caused some really. Are you okay?
Nah.
He got you?
Hey, crybaby.
Hey, Crybaby, bring your baby light. Did your daughter give you that light?
You're stupid.
Your daughter gave you that baby light? Crybaby?
What a whiny crybaby you are, man.
Crybaby, get out of here before I shine a big light.
Get back
on
inside.
Hey, you're such a man, you have to throw stuff, huh? You're not even man enough to come out here and confront us on your own.
You. Get inside, bitch.
You have to
Daddy
bring a
told you to
bat
get
and a
inside.
rock.
Get inside, you bitch.
Listen to daddy. Is that down?
That's down. This guy's not down though. This guy throws
Yeah,
rocks.
that's a bitch move.
Look,
All because of fucking photo. Look at that could have.
that's not a small rock.
No.
either.
And I think it even chunked. Didn't it break in pieces? I think there was another piece to it. I think it was bigger.
Yeah, he when it hit the floor,
Yeah, it broke apart.
it ended up
Shrapnel?
flying all the way over there. Hey, crybaby.
Right here.
Yeah.
See?
Yep.
Scratch the. And there's a piece of it. Hey, that was a cute light. I bet you your daughter gave that to you. Is that your Barbie light from Barbie dolls?
Is that the one you used to touch
the
yourself,
Barbie
sir?
playhouse.
Is that the light that you use for a night light? For good times?
I think the battery was low on that light.
Uh-oh, here she comes. Here comes Bat Boy. Uh-oh, it's Bat Boy again.
See, this is a big boy light. I got a big boy light. You got a little Barbie light.
Damn. Throwing cleaning supplies.
Ow, he hit me.
Is that down?
He hit me with that. You little bitch. Hey, sir,
bleach?
you're a little bitch. Your mama taught you nothing growing up, and you probably grew up without a daddy. That's why you act like a little bitch.
You got a little baby light and then you throw rocks at that? Oh no, I'm scared.
What a bitch.
You see this SGV? He got almost fucking plastered by bleach. Is that bleach? Oh, it's lotion. It puts the lotion on the skin.
It's motion lotion? He threw his motion lotion at us.
Hey, you threw your lube over here? What are you gonna jack off with now?
Skin cleaner, antibacterial
Hey,
lotion.
zoom in on his license plate right here.
5K. What is that? 46714.
Yep.
Got it. Got his license plate.
This guy's throwing his jack off lube and he's throwing rocks.
Hey, you got a towel to go with the rock and the lube?
Oh fuck.
Here he comes, here he comes.
The rock is as heavy as my Sheenus and I need all
Hey,
that
bitch
lube.
boy! He went down the hallway.
Hey, bitch boy, come pick up your lube.
I can't believe he opened the gate for us.
Thing is like, are you cops? Are you cops?
I don't know. Did he say that?
Yeah.
Look at this guy. This guy's bloody as hell, dude.
What a dumbass, man.
And he throws this rock and he throws this. That's too funny, dude. Oh my god, I should have been filming this.
I'm live now.
There's the rock.
Damn. SGV almost got hit with this rock. And then this lotion.
It
puts the lotion on the
skin.
skin.
Or against the rock again. It puts the lotion on the skin. Girl, he's all bad. Why you all bad, sir? Because you got a little girl leg?
You got some baby light.
That security guard
Hey.
let out his night light.
He got the wanker's light.
Man, that's a lot of lube.
Damn.
What a waste. He can stick it up his ass.
Well, yeah, I think that's what he wants us to do. He wants us to lube him up and shove the rock up his ass. I don't think he needs the lube for that, though.
Damn, that's the U.S. Border Custom Patrol on scene. Throwing the lotion and the rocks. Get out of here. This is how I protect.
A rock and lube.
Look, so here's U.S. Customs and Border Protection throwing rocks and lube.
That's laughable.
Oh my god! You can't make this shit up.
That guy straight threw a rock at us. Pussy!
Hey, what else do you got in the cleaning closet to throw at?
You got a broom?
Right?
You throwing the mop next?
You got a mop to mop it up?
This guy's so stupid.
We need some water.
Oh, the full moon. Hey, look, I think my light reaches the moon.
You're blasting the moon?
Is that down?
Whoa! She just exited the atmosphere.
That's so hilarious, though. He threw a rock and threw lube. What the hell is this about? Is this down or what?
That's not down. Nah.
No, that's anything but down.
That's all bad.
No, absolutely.
It's all bad.
He threw a rock. That's a big ass rock. I'm sorry. That's not a.
He
pebble.
throws like a bitch too. He went like this. Oh.
Look, it's bubbling.
I think he had to stand on top of the wall to throw it.
Yeah.
My light made it bubble.
Did it? Fuck. It's cooking it. Let's go tell him he throws like a bitch.
Hey, I know why you got that baby light, because you throw like a little girl.
Yeah, you throw like a bitch, sir. You throw like a baby back bitch. I bet you never thrown anything in your life.
Pussy.
Hey, why don't you come over here and use that lube on my penis?